So first off, you have to take the chicken and cut it in the manner that is shown in this video. This cutting helps the chicken to cook from the inside out as well. Put cuts on each of your chicken pieces. Take 3 limes and cut it from between. Now for marination. Put 100 milliliter of oil. And squeeze all your lemons in this mixture. 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon red chili, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste or 2 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Turn this into a mixture. Now spread this mixture on each of the chicken separately. You can spread the mixture on the chicken by hands as well. Do as shown with all your chicken pieces. Once you're done marinating all your chicken pieces, now for the marination to be completed, put your chicken in the refrigerator overnight. After the chicken is done marinating, start preparing your fire. Once the fire is done for the barbecue, put on a grill and now start putting the chicken pieces on the grill. If you have leftover marination sauce, start putting it on the chicken as well. Now cook each side for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the chicken and start brushing oil on top of each side. After 5 minutes to this side, flip and brush the oil on the rest of chicken. Now with any sharp object or with a knife, create some holes in your chicken so that the blood comes out and the chicken cooks evenly from the inside. After 5 minutes to this side, your chicken should be well cooked and delicious. Dish out and enjoy. This is super tender and juicy. If you like this recipe, be sure to leave a like and subscribe our channel for more. Till then, Allah Hafiz.